It's absolutely essential to have a really good side dish to go whatever main meat you're gonna have for your dinner. So one of the greatest side dishes you can make actually takes no real work at all. Anyone can make it, and you can even take it to your next potluck and people will love it. All it is a simple green bean casserole, and we're gonna show you how to make it right now. Preheat your oven to 350 and get ready to cook some beans. To cook the whole 2 pounds of beans, you're gonna need to boil up 4 cups of water. Once your water is boiling, it's time to cook the beans. Using the full packaging, they're going to cook it about 15 minutes. Then we'll drain it, and they'll be ready for the casserole. Now these beans have been cooking for about 12 minutes. It's time to drain these beauties. And what I love to do most for straining is to use this snap and strain strainer. Look, all the water goes out, beans stay in. Snaps on right to the pot, very convenient. Don't have to use any second utensils. And there now you have the beans that are nice and drained. Now that you got your beans ready to go, it's time to take out your casserole dish, put in your soup, cream of mushroom soup, 3/4 cup of milk. You're gonna stir that together. 2/3 a cup of crispy onions, add some pepper, and then put in 4 cups of beans, or we did 2 pounds. And stir it all together. Once you stir enough, you can bring all that sauce to the top. You can kind of compact the beans in there, bring it more to the top. Now we've got all the green beans in there and smash it down. You can see the sauces come to the top. Time to put in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, here's what your casserole is going to look like. But we're not done yet. We gotta put a crispy, crunchy coating on top. That's achieved by adding some more of those crispy fried onions. Now that the top is covered in crispy, crunchy goodness, back in the oven for 5 minutes or so till the top is nice and toasty. After 4 minutes in the oven, you can see the onions got nice and golden crispy. It looks like it's at a perfect doneness. And all that's left to do is to try it.
It's hard to describe the flavor. You don't really taste green beans. It's like it's a gravy or something. Is that what you think it tastes like, Fidel?
The cream of mushroom.
That's what. Cream of mushroom.
The flavor is very light, and the seasoning is also light, so it's not too strong.
Yeah, there's not really any flavor from the green beans though.
Well, the lightness of everything makes the green beans stand out more. And I think you need the onions on top to give it a little crunch and more flavor.
Actually, yes, the onions do have a strong, like, is it grease flavor or fried flavor, you know? They taste like fried onions. Overall, if you don't like the taste of green beans or you don't like vegetables, it's pretty good because you don't taste anything.
I think it's a good dish for Thanksgiving.
And for another flavorful, indispensable side for Thanksgiving dinner, watch this video right over here.